our GoPro 8 Black that we got from Amazon, and we used a Citibank credit card to order, so we got a discount of 1,500, so we paid around 34,000. Link is in the description. So here we go, we are opening it. Yeah. So on the box you can see that there are a few accessories that we get with the GoPro 8 because this is a special bundle. Let's see what are all there inside. Okay, I think there's a description on how you have to remove the GoPro. Open this and just pinch it here, and there you go. Let's come back to this later. Now I'm opening the box. I think we have a few cards here, GoPro Plus, and some instructions on how to use the attacher here, the fixing, and also the GoPro logo. Here we have the safety instruction manual. I see. Okay. So since this is a special bundle, we'll be getting quite a few accessories along with the GoPro. So we can see that there is a card reader and along with the 32 GB card, memory card, and this is our head strap. So yeah, this is how it will go, and you can see that we can attach the GoPro at this point. This is the connector cable for charging, I suppose, and this is a GoPro Shorty. GoPro Shorty, you can use it for multiple purposes while you're trying to make the videos. It can be used as a stand. Also, we will be getting not only one, we'll be getting two batteries. So you will also be having a battery backup if you run out of one battery, and this is just a stand for this. Okay, now that we have seen what is inside the box, let's see something about the features of this GoPro. So as you can see in the box, we can see that it has a 12 MP camera with the 4K video option, and also you can take an 8x slow-mo. With the special feature about this GoPro is that it is HyperSmooth 2.0. That is, any vibration will be stabilized in this GoPro. Also you have a lot of other features like GPS, voice control, and super photo HDR, live burst photos, and okay, let's see how it works. So there are other functions that you can do, like how you can use the GoPro. If you remove this, you can detach it from this and just use it in the headstand like that. And use the same screw to tighten it up. And you can use this in water activities and all that, adventure sports, and when you're vlogging. So the main reason why we bought this GoPro was because of the HyperSmooth 2.0. Like when we are vlogging and moving, videos are very disturbed. So this will help a lot while using the GoPro. Okay, so let's see how we can insert the battery and memory card. So there is this crease over here which you can just pull to the outside and just open it. So there are times when you will think that it's broken, but it's not actually. It can be reattached. So let us see. There is a place for the memory card over here, right? Before you insert your battery, you're supposed to insert a memory card. I need something to open. Okay, fast forwarding to ripping of the memory card. We can insert it like this here, and you can hear click sound when the memory card is inserted. So after that, yeah, this goes like this, the battery, and you can close the all ready to use.